Hey guys, welcome back to GEEK. Here I've been using Samsung S20 5G renewal product from 30 days. Usually we don't feel interested in buying the renewal product and while selling for discount even after checking many reviews. You may have questions regarding it whether we should buy it or not. In this video, I'm gonna clear out all the doubts and questions you may have about the renewal product. So let's start from unboxing the package. Here we can see the Samsung S20 FE box which is sealed by plaster. Right after opening the box we can see the simulator tool popped out. Here you can see the mobile looks brand new. There is no signs of single scratch and not even the covers are removed. And the good thing is that it is still having a screen guard. Inside the box we can see a USB Type-C cable, a charger which is about 15 watt which is original. Usually we don't see original chargers, and the cable is USB-A to Type-C. And let's switch it on the mobile and let me do the initial setup. We can see the Facebook and Netflix apps are pre-installed. We can delete the Facebook but not Netflix. The apps are getting updates, so let me update it. The mobile comes with the Android 12 pre-installed and also with the July security patch updated. And while charging with the Samsung 15 watt charger, it takes 1 hour 40 minutes, and with 25 watt charger, it takes 1 hour 7 minutes. And it has fast wireless charging about 15 watt. Reverse wireless charging also works. The reverse charging wireless capacity is about 4.5 watts, and it also supports PD 3.0. And while testing the fingerprint and face unlock, they work pretty fine. And regarding the IP68 water rated, which is dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, as I don't want to test it because this is the only mobile I have. And regarding the dual 5G, it supports dual 5G, but N77 5G band is missing. Regarding the sound quality, the stereo speakers are excellent in giving the sound quality. And let's also do the benchmarks and camera testing and also the gaming, and let's check out the temperatures. Here are the Antutu benchmark scores, which is 6,58,240. The temperature has raised to 88.5 degrees, and we can see the 4% battery dropped. And with the Geekbench, here we can check out the Geekbench scores. It scored 556 for single core and 3513 for multi-core. And with the thermal throttling test, it throttled to 78% of its max performance for 15 minutes of thermal test. And let's play the PUBG New State game with these graphics settings up to 30 minutes. You can see the battery percentage. After 30 minutes of gaming, the battery percentage dropped to 12% and the heat remains same. We can feel more heat at this place. And regarding with the camera samples, here is the front camera sample. We can go a bit wide angle. Here is the front camera sample of 4K 60 fps in the indoor light conditions, and also you can check the audio. It is pretty good. It has stabilization up to 1080p 60 fps but supports 4K 60 fps without stabilization. And with the back camera, here is the 1x mode, here is the wide angle mode, here is the 3x zoom, and here are the portrait shots. Here is the back camera video sample. We can switch in between the main camera to wide angle and wide angle to 3x. And here is the portrait video. It has stabilization up to 4K 60 fps, but with Super Study, it is reduced to 1080p 30 fps. And here are the low light condition indoor and outdoor samples. After all testing, the mobile feels in excellent condition. And regarding with the software updates, We can get Android 13 and may get security patches until 2023. And regarding the service center, they are backed by 6 months of seller warranty from the Amazon. If we have issues in between these 6 months, we can also request for refund or replacement. And finally, my conclusion is that if you are getting for a very good discount and also after checking the seller rating, go for it. If you find any issues, you can return it and get refunded. And anyone, if you have any experience with these renewed products, please make sure to comment. For more interesting videos, subscribe to GEEK. We'll meet in the next one.